Hey, I'm Samantha, and I recently found myself in a tricky situation that left me questioning my actions. I want to share it with you and hear your thoughts. So, here's what happened. My friends, Debra, Ella, and I have been close for years. We've shared countless memories and supported each other through thick and thin. I've always felt secure in our friendship, but something happened that made me doubt myself. One afternoon, I was at home, relaxing after a long day at work, when my phone started ringing. It was Debra's number. I answered, but there was no immediate response. Instead, I heard muffled voices and realized that Debra's phone must have accidentally called me. At first, I was about to hang up, thinking it was just a pocket dial. But then I heard Ella's voice and my curiosity got the better of me. I decided to listen for a moment, just to make sure everything was okay. That's when I heard my name mentioned. Ella and Debra were discussing our upcoming weekend plans, but the conversation soon shifted. Ella expressed some frustration about something I had done recently. She felt that I hadn't been as supportive as I could have been during a tough time she was going through. Debra agreed but tried to defend me, saying that I probably had my reasons. My heart sank. I had no idea they felt this way. Part of me wanted to hang up immediately and pretend I hadn't heard anything, but another part of me felt compelled to keep listening. I wanted to understand their true feelings and maybe even find a way to address the issues they had with me. After a few more minutes, I couldn't take it anymore. I hung up, feeling a mix of guilt and sadness. I didn't know whether to confront them about what I had heard or to keep it to myself and try to improve my behavior. I felt like I had invaded their privacy, but at the same time, I was hurt by their words. So here's my dilemma. If a friend's phone accidentally called you, would you listen to the conversation if they were talking about you? How would you handle the situation? Would you confront them or would you keep it to yourself? Please share your thoughts and advice in the comments below. Your insights might help someone else facing a similar tough decision. Thank you.